Hello?
Yes, madam, we can see your screen.
Okay, sir. I'm going to discuss.
1 minute, ma'am. Before you start, actually, this is a nowadays everyone is asking an interview question: what is account teams and opposite teams? That's why SSP madam is done their own research and development R&D. So now she will explain. So that prepare this one also. It is also very important. Yeah, madam, you can go. You can go ahead.
Today I'm going to talk about account teams and opportunity teams. When do we use actually accounting teams? Account teams is, let us say we have an account and there are a group of people who want to access the account and work as a team. At that point of time, we need this feature. So we use the accounting team. When we use the accounting team, there is a chance that record can be using the opportunities, cases and contacts objectives. In opportunity teams, it cannot access all the other objects, only the opportunity object it can access. So first we are going to talk about accounting teams. As I discussed, accounting teams will be used when a lot of people want to use a single account. So first we will see how we can start a accounting team. So the first thing is we have to enable the accounting team. By default, it will not be enabled. So let us see how we do this. So first we have to go to the setups, go to setup and go to the object manager and type in accounting teams. So I'm in the accounting teams tab already. So you have to enable the accounting teams. So accounting teams enabled and you have to save it. So the accounting teams is ready. So after we do so we have to accept where the accounting streams layout will affect. We are clicking the checkbox accounting layout and add users customized related list also. It will be coming in the related list if we check this button. So save. So after this, we have to do the team roles. The second thing is we have to set up account roles. So we have to do the accounting roles. For this, actually what I have done is I have created two users already who use this. So go to team roles. So I have created two users. One is a sales, sorry. One is, sorry. I don't remember. Sorry, sir.
No problem.
One is a sales rep and one is, I think, an account manager, because I have created so many. I just I forgot. One is account manager, one is sales rep. So now once we do this, we have, so you have to say new roles, and we have to add those two roles to this.
Okay, Salesforce is giving by default those roles. If you want to add any new roles, you can add it.
Yes, I added two of them, sir, actually.
Okay.
Accounting teams, team roles. So let us add an account manager and a sales rep. Sales.
Already those are there, madam. Why we need to add again?
Sorry, sir.
Already those values are there, no? Again, why we need to add same duplicate values? So you can see duplicate values are not allowed.
1 second. Because I had it is not letting me, maybe, sir.
That's why already you are added. So that's why you cannot. And one more thing, I can see everything is on same date, madam. Last modified by. I think you have not added anything. Maybe you added in different system actually.
Okay.
Okay, you can go ahead, madam. Maybe just assume like we have added new roles now.
Yeah. Let us say if they are not there and we want to add some team members, then we have to add those before
Right.
we do that. So go to setup, go to the profile and go to settings. And there you have an advanced user details option on the left. So otherwise, if you don't find, please type in the quick find, go to so when you drop down, you can find, we'll find that in the related list. See, default accounting team. So click on add and add the people you want to add. Who would you like to share that account ID with? So let us say I add with Amy Daniels, and you can give the access, read, write, or read only, or whatever you would like. An opportunity access, you want to only read only or read, write, whatever. Depending upon the user, you can choose what role you want to do. Amy Daniels, I think, is a sales rep. And choose another one if you like. Let us say Shivani. She is my daughter. I think sales manager. Let us see. And we have saved them. So the advantage of this, now you have to go to accounts. Sorry, object manager. Sorry, sir. You have to go to sales. And you go to accounts, you can find the all accounts. Pick anything you want. You can see account teams on the bottom of it. So actually you can add a default team or add team members. So as we have added there the default team, you can straight away ask, you can add the default team. When you add the default team, see we got Amy Daniels and Shivani Achyuta, or you can add, let us say you don't want a default team, then you can add a specific team you would like. So that's how we do account teams. Similarly, same with the opportunities as well. So you want me to show opportunities as well?
Yes, madam.
Okay. It's the same thing. So go to settings.
Oh, one question,
Setup.
madam. 1 minute. So why only these two people are coming here in this account?
Because I have added only two people in the settings. That's why. When I went to settings, I have added only two advanced user details. I have added only two people in the account.
No, you are not adding anywhere in the account, madam. So you are adding these two
Yes,
people
sir.
in, yeah, understood. You are adding default in the SSV user, right? In the SSV user, you are adding these are the team members. Amy Daniels,
Yes, yeah.
So what we, what I'm thinking is, because account is owner now, who is account owner now? SSV, I guess, right?
Yes, yes.
So that's why if you choose default team, these two people are coming. If account owner is different person, I think these two will not come. Maybe what you can do, you can try with any other account. Go any other account, madam. Just any other account who is just change that account owner.
Account.
Apart from SSV, you can choose any other account owner. So just add a default team. We can see what will happen.
Okay.
Any other user is there? Admin user here? Who is another user? Just click a users. Okay, click a users first. Home. So is admin? One person is SS, other is Nikita.
Yes, yes, sir.
Can you change any account, create new account and change account owner to Nikita? Go and create new account, madam.
Create new account means?
Account record.
Okay, sir.
so that at least we can check in there if we add, because for Nikita we don't have any default team no.
Okay, sir.
So what will happen with open any existing account, no problem. Discovery. For this already default team is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Choose another account. Discovery.
That will be also my name only, no, sir. You want me to edit?
Change here. Go down. Is there any default team is there now? Go down. No, no. Yeah. Create one complete brand new account, madam. Otherwise,
Okay.
just a test for guest. Give your account name like a test account team like that, and save it. Save that.
Can we change the account owner here? Because I think these are default values, right?
You can change, madam. Give account name like any name, madam, not a customer name. It should be like IBM account or something. TCS company name, anything. You can give name also, but that is not good. Skyway or something. Remaining are not requirement. Just ignore.
Shall I just save it, sir?
Correct. You can say it.
Sir, this is still my account name only, no, sir?
No, because you are the, you can change owner now. Go in the new note, madam, in the right side. Last, click on menu, change owner.
Edit.
Change owner. Second option. Change to Nikita.
Shall I do Nikita, sir?
Nikita.
Okay.
Click on save. Submit. Because we don't have any apostrophes and all.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now we can add default team. Anyone will come, we'll see.
No, sir.
Because there is no owner for default team for Nikita. Can't add default.
Yes.
Click once again. You'll see the error message. Can't add default team. Ask the record owner to set a default account team and then try again.
Yes, sir. So the advantage of a default team is, let us say we have new members joining and you want them to join to our like default, give access to the accounts. We can create a default account team and give them straight away access.
Correct, madam. So you need to add that account team members to the your user record.
Yeah.
Chalo, madam. Yeah, madam. That's what I want to show you. Okay. Now you can show a person.
Oh, okay, sir. Thanks.
In this case, what you can do, you can add team members like manually here,
Yes.
not a default.
Yes.
You can add it manually.
Yeah.
So that people can work on it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, madam.
Same again, same thing. Go to setup and go to object manager. Sorry, did I do setup? Okay. Home. Go opportunities, opportunity teams, and I think I have created this one, sir. Actually, that is the reason it is saying disable. I'll look into another one, sir, if it is okay. I have already created opportunity teams, I think, in this one, sir. That's why it is saying.
You can go, madam. Otherwise, you can disable and enable again once again. You cannot do like that.
It is not. It is no, sir. It is giving some kind of message.
Yeah,
something. Yeah, sir.
You can go ahead and do that.
Okay, I'll go to trial heads. Let me launch this. Same thing. Go to settings, setup. Opportunity team settings. Take this one.
Okay, no problem. We have just assume we have enabled team this one.
Yes, sir. I have tried 3 or 4 times, so that is the reason actually this is happening. Uh, uh, so same thing, we have to enable the opportunity team settings, and once we enabled, we have to again, we know which team we need to add to the opportunities. So go to settings, again go to settings and advanced user details, and on the bottom similarly it will be like opportunities. See sir, I have already added it, that's the reason actually it is showing. So we can add here also similarly under default opportunity team, we can add another member if you want, if you would like to. So it's
Same
my
idea.
name, it's the same name, that's why it's not.
Yeah, so we need to add here. These are the same like that only, man, right?
Same sir. It's like account team, under account team I have added same people actually, because I didn't add users. Default opportunity team also we can add, and if when we go to setup and go to opportunities, we can see under opportunities, there is on the right side of the board, on the bottom, you can see opportunity teams. Here also similarly we can add default team, or you can add separately. If you want separately, we can add something like this.
Correct.
Sales manager, user, let us something like this and save. So the team will come up here, or you can use the default as well.
Correct. So all these people can work on same account.
Yeah.
Like one person is like a manager, one person is a senior manager, and the junior manager, and the salesperson, sales rep, so that they can follow up with this account by using account teams and opportunities. That is the main purpose.
Yes.
Of this functionality. And whenever we use these teams, they will get a recordable access also automatically.
Yes. Here it only gives opportunity access. In that one, it gives all case, account, opportunities, and contacts.
Correct, man. In the account teams.
Yeah.
Sure. That's it. Anything is there in below? That's it.
No.
Good, madam. At least we understood now what is the use of account teams and opportunity teams. What is the purpose of it? It's clear, sir. Everyone. Anyone have any questions here? What is the main purpose of account teams, opportunity teams? Hello.
Clear, sir.
Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, man. So that is asking nowadays in the interview questions. That's why I asked madam to do some research. She prepared well and she explained also very well, madam. Thanks, madam. Good.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thanks.